Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We got the video for today starting off with Dixie on a daily time frame. ECB and USA have both increased 0.25, and as you can see, Dixie is officially giving you that nice bounce off our first level, that $100.70. We are looking like we're going to probably clear the 21 EMA today at 101.40, and if we get that daily close above it, then our next target we'll be looking for is 102.25 to 102.50, and then we can see if we're going to claim this level for us to break out into that 106 level that we've been looking for. Today's daily close is very important. If we get that daily close above 101.40, I'm looking for us to continue back up into Friday, the weekly close, and I'm hoping we can claim above 102.20 for that weekly close. If not, next week we can consolidate between that 102 and 101 level, and then we could look for a breakup later to test into our 103.50 level. So as we're getting this upside on Dixie, keep in mind that we're going to be putting in those local highs in Bitcoin, ETH, and other tech stocks, and probably rolling over if we get that daily close above here. So Friday might be a sell-off event. Okay, that's basically the gist of what I'm trying to get at. Now let's go take a look at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. Here it is. And I am in shorts. I just want to say I was looking for that breakout. Here is Bitcoin on a daily time frame. We were looking for us to get a close above that $29,700 level. That is giving us our resistance because that's where the golden pocket was that everyone took their shorts off of, around that $30,060 level. And here's our first leg down. And right now we're basically setting up a possible another leg down, a rollover situation now that we've been met by our resistance over here at 29,700. If we get a 4-hour open and close above 29.7, I can look for us to go look at 29,009 to 30,000. But until we get above 30,500 with the daily open and close, I'm not looking for us to get any higher. And right now we're already tapping into resistance, and we're pretty far from the 21 EMA, so I'm not looking for a crossover. I'm looking for a rejection here, maybe a leg down, and then we can see where we go after 29,000 is retested. So just be aware of that on the daily time frame. I'm looking for us to put in a local high for another leg down. Going at the 4-hour time frame, you can see it's kind of a bear flag right into the 200 EMA. So this is where you would be taking your shorts. This is where people got trapped in the long. So why would they let everyone who are trapped in this long out? You know, they're gonna leg it down one more time, probably take some liquidity, and then if we have a swing failure pattern of this low, you could look for a reversal to the upside. So until I get a 4-hour open and close above 29,700, I'm not looking for any higher. Okay. And right now you can see that we're getting that nice bull div, but we didn't really go too far. So let this 4-hour close and see how high we get. If we get above 200 EMA over here at 29.7, then fine, we could look for that other levels. But until we get that 4-hour open and close above 29.7, there's no reason for me to take any risks for the upside. All right, and now let's go to ETH on a daily. Here is ETH on a daily, playing out that like possible bull flag situation. It's actually healthier than Bitcoin, already trying to fight the 21 EMA at 1880. Until we get 4-hour open and close above 1880, I'm not looking for us to test into that 1940, $1950 level, and then 2000 after that. You know, you're kind of putting in a little head and shoulder here. That's why I'm saying 1950, because you'd be putting in another shoulder on this, like 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then leg down if you want, test this low. So just be aware of what's going on over here. It is not looking as healthy. It is looking healthier than Bitcoin, but it's still not healthy that we're consolidating this level, 1850, for so long. This is kind of like so many shorts have been filled that if the market wants to take easy liquidity, it would pop up, take a swing failure pattern of this level over here, then roll on over. It wouldn't just roll on over right now. But hey, if somebody wants the market sell right now, that will and can happen. So be aware. This is where my line in the sand is, this $1,800 level. If you've seen the last like 5-10 videos, I've given you these same levels over and over, guys. We've only been going sideways for a very long time, so nothing should be a surprise over here. If you suck at trading, it's your own fault at this point. We're waiting for confirmation of this breakout, and all we're doing in this level is just consolidating. You could add like 20 trades long and short already. So that's basically all I wanted to give you a warning for on the 4-hour. I mean, daily's already showing you that it's looking for a downside. On the 4 hour time frame, you're actually above the point 0.5. So until you get a 4 hour open and close underneath 1860, I wouldn't get too bearish. So that's the little saving grace that ETH is fighting the 200 EMA right now, which was what I was saying Bitcoin needs to do. And we're very close of at least getting a swing failure pattern possibility of poking up over here. And if we can't get above 1940 and roll over, then I can understand.